Hi guys, this is Peugeot 307SW from 2005 and today we will be replacing third stoplight. First of all, let's open the trunk. On the top part of the trunk doors you will have a cover, so it's very easy to remove it. You just need to pull and then just go further and pull. Just be gentle until the whole cover is removed. And then here you will find 4 holes. If you take a look at the cover from the other side, it has 6 interfaces, these white pins you see here. I am holding the 6th one in my hand because it just dropped out, but it's very easy to install it back. You simply need to press it in place. Okay, first of all, you can shine some light into the holes, see what's inside, so you have better understanding of what you need to do. But I will explain that either way. So you need to work with these 2 holes. There are pads inside that locks the light in place. And then if you insert the screwdriver like this and push it in, you will see that it's going in to some extent, and it's because you are pushing in the pad that locks the light in place. And the same here. So what you need to do is you need to push this pad and then with your other hand go on the other side of the doors and try to pull the light a bit so that the pad doesn't latch anymore, and then do the same with the other one. It might happen that your light is stuck and it won't move. In that case, you can use screwdriver to gently separate it. If you just put it in between this gap and move it just a tiny bit, you can try to separate it from the car if it is stuck. But you need to be very careful because you can break your light. Have you heard? It's the first one that came out. I'll show you that in a moment. Now, if you take a look at the light from the other side, this part has just went a little bit upwards and it clicked, and that means that the pad is not latching anymore, and I can start to work on the other side. And we do the same with the other side. So just insert the screwdriver, try to feel where the pad is, and then work with your both hands, one here and the second one on the other side. Try to pull the light upwards. Okay, now I lift it a bit from the right side, so I come back to the left side and do the same again to lift it a bit more. Okay, and now the same from the other side. Maybe I will position the camera on the roof so you see how it looks like from the other side, and what I'll be doing here is the same, just pressing the pad with the screwdriver. Okay, so first of all you feel on the other side where's the pad. So now I felt it and then I gently push this up. Okay, and then I do the same on the other side. Put in the screwdriver, feel where the pad is and push it a bit up. Okay. Now you see that the light is loose, and now I'm going to close the trunk to show you that from the other side. Make sure that it doesn't fall out. And now we remove it gently, and you can see that there are two connections here. One electrical connection and one cable here, so it's quite easy to unplug the cable. Did I say that too early? Okay, so you see, it's not easy, it takes some time, but it's absolutely possible. There's a rubber part at the end, and that's why this kind of moves works the best for it. Okay, and now to disconnect the electrical connection, you just need to press this part here on the side and pull it. And there you have your third light. So this is how your third light looks like when it's removed from the car. This is the top of the light where your roof is here, and then this surface here is what the other drivers see when you brake. Now when we look at the other side of the light, there are 4 bulbs. These are most commonly used bulbs, W5W type, and then you remove this bulb interface by rotating and then pulling it out. So you remove the bulb by simply pulling it out of the interface, and then you install a new one. In my case it's working, so I am installing the same, and then you put it in and twist it to locked position. Then these are the 2 pads that we've been pushing to remove the light from the car, and this is the interface for the hose, and that's the electrical interface. And you see here 2 long pieces of metal that transfer electricity to each of these bulbs. That would be all, so let's put it back on the car. So the installation is the opposite of removal. First of all, we connect the electrical interface until it clicks, just put it in, and then we do the same with the okay, it's in, and now we gently put it in place and push it. And don't forget to put the cover on. You simply press it in place. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you did, and if you'd like to see more Peugeot 307, check my channel out. I've got plenty of videos about this car, and good luck with your Peugeot.